Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Everybody, I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 10 a.m. Eastern Time, Friday morning, 30 minutes into the trading session, and can't keep a good market down, folks. Check out this market. We were lower this morning. We're still lower right now, but quite a pop on the open. We have the S&Ps. Futures only down single digits right now, off 9 points at 38.36. You zoom in on the action we had in terms of early Thursday, we'll call it. You were up there to a high of about 38.60. Yesterday, some choppy action in the S&P. We finished the day right at around 38.52. We have IBM earnings after the bell last night, accelerates lower. The whole market accelerates lower to about 38.15, but since about 8 a.m. this morning, you're trading higher. We're up 20 points off the lows in the S&Ps right now at 38.35. Nasdaq, quite the same story, climbing towards the highs we had basically yesterday, 13,423 in the FANG stocks, tech stocks, Nasdaq 100. We're at 13,380 this morning. The Dow off 168 points, 30,915, and you got the Russell catching a bid on the open. We were down to a low on the Russell at about, you're talking about 2112. We've bounced 18 points just in the last half hour on the Russell at 2130. Commodities, talk about some volatility. Crude goes down to 51.44. We're almost 90 cents right now from that low at 52.30. You've got gold contract, pretty similar action. You trade lower to a low 830 at about 1836. We're now up to 1851. Silver's down 39 cents to 2547. And we'll jump to notes and bonds. Some pretty calm action right now. You got the 10-year up 2 ticks at 136.30. We're looking at a 10-year yield right now of about 1.09%, that 10-year yield. All right, what else we got going on? We'll jump over to the VIX this morning. Finally getting a little negative action in the market. The VIX spikes to 2350. But guess what? We just wait for the opening bell. Markets trade higher. VIX trades lower, 2182. I kid, in jest, folks. Not always how it happens, but man, it is how it's happened recently. I mean, check out this S&P on a daily, right? We're at all-time highs on a continual basis, folks, creeping up to that level since November 1st. Now, what else we have going on? Some big earnings last night. IBM disappointing in a big way and accelerating lower on the open. It's off 10.6%. And Intel, quite the divergence on their numbers last night. They actually announced prior to the close last night after potentially one of the slides of their earnings gets released. They spike higher. Earnings call, different scenario. Intel down 6.4%. Stay tuned, folks. Live programming all Friday at TFNN. We'll be right back.